to be nice.
My New Year's resolution is to keep Nancy good, and good grades like I always do every year. And just great, keep the bad vibes out, goodbye, like in 2023, yeah.
So I play soccer. I'll definitely want to do better in that. Not that I'm not, but I know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna try to get faster on that. And that's my goals.
What's your New Year's resolution?
To train my cat to do a trick, or at least one of my cats.
Resolution is to get Student of the Month.
My New Year's resolution is probably to have the best year possible.
To win my track, like the actual track goal, because I'm in track, as you know, and to become a dancer.
My New Year's resolution is to read 30 books.
My New Year's resolution would probably be to practice every day for my soccer team.
My goals for 2024 are to stay academically stable and to improve. Finish my science fair, maybe even win, maybe get straight A's.
To do better in school, to learn more, and to get better at stuff that I want to.